Okay, probably managed to hook in all the wires. Just want to give you a quick look from the back. This is the wire, the connection to the aerial, the antenna, just plugged in, and this is for the 4G connection. I just noticed it wasn't giving me even a Wi-Fi signal, so I think it's for both Wi-Fi and 4G connection. This cable goes towards the GPS. Where is my GPS? It's probably over here, somewhere over here. Okay, so that's my GPS module. I do have an inbuilt GPS, so I need to contact Xtron, as I can't plug this one into my GPS connection, because this is just a plug-in connection type, and this is more of like if you screw in and then get it connected online. It's said models that have a BMS, models that have a navigation system, an Audi inbuilt navigation system. This model probably doesn't support it, but if we need some help, then we need to contact Xtron, so probably that's what I'm gonna do. And then what else? This is my CAN bus connection. As you can see, this is the ISO cable. So if you have a Bose built-in Bose system, then you need to use this connection, and it's quite self-explanatory, where it mentions you need to connect front left in, front left out. So basically this is kind of a middle cable in between the ISO cable and the RCA cable, the Bose connection system. That's my powering loom. I'm gonna connect it soon and just test it out. One thing I noticed while I was making the connections is, if you have different connectors, the wiring diagram, the pin diagram is on the player itself and also in the manual. So if you refer to the wiring diagram, it is quite helpful saying which connector should go where. Plus, so if you have a connector which is, for example, say a 4-pin connector, then you know it's only gonna go in a 4-pin type. And what's that 4-pin type? It says you. So like in this case, the D1 is a 4-pin type, and it's a USB type connector. So that's how I figured out, okay, so the USB one needs to go over here. E1 is a 6-pin one, and it's basically for camera, hooking up your camera, the reverse camera or the front camera. I don't have it at the moment, so that's why I left it empty, as you can see. And then there is a one above it, B, which is not there in this book, so I presume it's not supported for this type of, for my car model. I think that's why it's not mentioned over here. Rest is quite intuitive. So this one is for another one for USB. But this is like for a 6-pin USB, and the D1 is for a 4-pin USB. So that's how I figured out which USB cable needs to go into which port. Okay guys, I'm gonna plug this into my car. I'll figure out using the inbuilt GPS connector cable after I get some more help from Xtron. Meanwhile, I'll just hook it up and just to see how it performs. Alright, see you in a bit.